All right, y'all can throw away your canned cranberry sauce because we're making it from scratch this year. So all you need is a pack of cranberries, orange juice or fresh oranges, whatever you want to use, some cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Literally that easy. As you can see, I went ahead and rinsed my cranberries off and I have them in my pot. I'm going in with a half a cup of orange juice, or you can use fresh oranges. It's up to you. Then I'm going to go in with equal parts of water, and we're going to keep the heat on medium low. And we're going to do 3/4 of sugar. Now you can either do a cinnamon stick, or if you don't have any cinnamon sticks, you can use ground cinnamon like I did. And I only did about a teaspoon. You want to just taste it and see how you like the taste. If you feel like it needs more, add a little bit more cinnamon, and that's pretty much it. You just let it cook down and you should have something like this. Now you'll never buy canned cranberry sauce again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.